can you sublimate on a Dollar Tree sequin pillow? Stay tuned to find out. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do sublimation, Cricut, and kid crafts videos. And if any of those things interest you, please subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload. I upload on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So while our heat press is heating up, I am going to cut my design and tape it onto the pillow. I already printed out my design. And so if you wanted to know the sizing of the pillow is 9.5 by 9.5. So because my printer can only print 8.5 by 11 and by 14, I made a square in Affinity 9.5 by 9.5. And then I kind of arranged my design how I wanted it, and then I put it on an 8.5 by 14 sheet of paper and just moved the different elements so that I can fit it all there, and then I'll just arrange it how I want it on the pillow. I'm just gonna cut. So now I'm gonna take my pillow. I'm gonna cut off the tag. Make sure I get that off. So we're gonna take, and you can even do sublimation on the other side. This pillow is 100% polyester, so remember that. So I'm gonna take it and we're gonna turn all of the sequins. We're gonna turn them all to the gray side, and you gotta make sure you get every single one in order for this to work. I'm making sure that I'm getting every single one, even the ones out here. So before I take my design, I'm actually going to put it in the heat press, and I'm going to press it so that I can make sure that all these are just gonna stay flat. So we're gonna take our pillow and we're gonna test out. We're gonna test out our pressure. I'm gonna start off with my photo. I'm gonna trim a little bit more on it. Okay, so I'm gonna put my photo on here. And I think I'm actually gonna trim it more. So I'm gonna cut my photo that much, I think. Make it smaller. And that's gonna go right here, I think. And then I'm gonna take these stars are gonna go on the sides. So I'm just gonna trim it close, but not too close. I'm not sure if it'll really get those sides. I'm gonna trim my main picture a bit more. To make room for the stars. Just because I didn't account for how janky the sides are going to be. Okay, so now that we have it all taped, I know it looks crazy. We're gonna move on to the heat press, and we're gonna press it at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. So we got some butcher paper to go underneath and butcher paper to go on top. I'm gonna take my pillow, put it in the center, take my butcher paper, and now we're gonna close it and let the countdown begin. If you're wondering how to get the right pressure, I will be doing a video on it. So get your heat gloves ready. Okay, so we're gonna move our butcher paper aside. Okay, so we're gonna take our heat glove. And we're gonna just start peeling away. So I probably should have made these stars much darker than what they are, because you can't see them that much. So, can you see it? So this is how it turned out. It's not bad. You can see, like, you can see the image. Obviously, it's not going to be super clear because it's sequins. The stars, I should have made them darker. Like, you can see them. Can you guys see them? You can see them, but they're not like super evident, you know? I love this. I think this would be a great gift for kids, and it's only $1 at Dollar Tree. So I love these. I would love to try a bigger one. But these are a great gift for kids. I absolutely love this. I'm gonna give this to my daughter, and I think she's gonna love seeing mommy and daddy and herself there. Dollar Tree also has different shapes. They have like this pillow one, which I will be doing soon. I'm going to be doing 12 days of Christmas. No, 10 days of Christmas, sorry. And I will be sublimating on this one. The difference between it, like, it's definitely harder to like do it than it is before you press it. Just a FYI. So anyways, I will be doing this very soon for the 10 days of Christmas. It's going to be 10 days up until Christmas, including Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. So keep me accountable. I am doing it. I have planned my videos out, and this will be one of them. If you are new to sublimation, I do have a video on what you need to get started for sublimation, so take a look at that video. I will be linking it down below, and it will be in the cards, so take a look at that video along with my other sublimation videos. There will be more to come. I promise, I promise, I promise. Please comment down below. Let me know what you guys are interested in seeing. I will be doing lots of sublimation videos along with Cricut videos and some kid crafts as well, because I am a mom of a 2-year-old, so that is part of my life. So yes, love you guys. Bye guys.